Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, July 18th, we are at celebrating 55 years of Intel, which was started on July 18th, 1968. It's incredible when you think about it. We talk about technology, where we are today. Some of you have gone back, like me, to eras of Commodore computers, Amigas, and of course all the PCs and the DOS and so on. Some on the Radio Shack computers, the Coco, the color computer. There's Ataris and all of that, and even the Apple computers of the day. So the company actually was secured funding as they made calls to get $2.5 million to start. The company was founded by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore of course, the famous Moore's Law that we've been talking about for such a long time. And what makes Intel really shine and different from everybody else is the invention of the 4004 or the 4004 processor. Until that era, processors were done in a way that you would actually build them capable of doing tasks, specific tasks, and you couldn't change that. That processor was made to do this. Intel actually had a different view. The processor that they built was programmable. You could tell it what tasks to do in software, and that was an innovation back then. And of course, followed with all the 8008 and the 8088, which was kind of the start of the PC, and so on up to today, when all of the Intel cores. I saw an article today about the 14th generation Intel processors, super powerful processors when you think about it. Back in the day, a processor had several thousand transistors, like 8088 and the 4004. Today we're talking billions of transistors in the same size, if not smaller than it was originally. Pretty crazy. So this is pretty cool to see that this company is now 55 years old. This logo, by the way, is the original Intel logo from that day. Pretty interesting, and still today relevant in the PC world, but probably very challenged with Apple computers using Intel for a while and now moving away because they have their own ARM-based processors that are the M1, M2, and so on, that basically are taking business away from Intel. Windows, I guess, is the place with the PC for Intel still, but AMD's very, very tough competition right now. AMD came back with its Ryzen CPUs that are really, really amazing. What future for Intel? I think Intel needs to think about its future in terms of what other types of processor it can build not just always relying on the x86 platform that it's going through. And Microsoft, of course, thinking of trying at least to bring Windows into a future where it will be running on other things than Intel CPUs. So the challenge is big for Intel, and I think that right now Intel and Windows PCs are, pretty much synced together. So if PC sales go down, Intel's going down. There needs to be a different view of the future, that's for sure. So happy birthday. 55 years of us having fun with Windows and PCs in general, partly because of Intel that actually brought us the wonderful CPUs that are running still today in computers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.